Hi everyone, I'm Sweetie Barnwal, a visual merchandiser at High Design India Private Limited in Bangalore. Having studied at Footwear Design and Development Institute, Noida, I have developed a deep passion for design and creativity. Here, I'm excited to introduce you to Design Pathshala, an institute run by Ajay sir. This institute is dedicated to providing top notch education in design and fashion. I was from the batch 2019 to 2020. Ajay sir's expertise and mentorship create an ideal environment for aspiring designers to learn and grow. I remember he helped me a lot while I was chasing for the good fashion colleges. If you are looking to build a successful career in design, Design Pathshala is the perfect place to start your journey. Bye bye.